Colors fade on man-made materials. For example, paint and clothing. Yet, for many species of birds, this isn't the case. Their feathers remain permanently bright and vivid. What's their secret? Researchers, examining the feathers of the Eurasian jay, discovered their colors are generated primarily by small changes in feather structure, as opposed to pigment. Surface variations scatter the reflected light, which produces the hues we see. And since this structure doesn't change with age, the colors never fade. This discovery opens a whole new world of possibilities. Dr. Andrew Parnell states, "If nature can assemble this material on the wing, then we should be able to do it synthetically." Researchers are now working to produce materials that mimic this. This could lead to paints that never fade, and perhaps even fabrics that look new and vibrant, wash after wash. What do you think? Did the unfading color of bird feathers come about by evolution? Or was it designed?